Hello, today's video is going to be the Walmart Beauty Box unboxing. Not very many things in here, but I do like this. Here's to self-care and skincare, to inner and outer glow. Here's to the good hair days and the don't care days. Here's to you. I like that. Okay, there's the little form things here. We'll start with the Crest Renewal Turn Back Time with the best whitening toothpaste ever. We got a little deluxe sample size of it. It says that it can removes 10 years of yellow stains. Hydrogen peroxide, there's 3% in there. And there's what it says. So there's a good one. No coupon though, so put that over there. We have another Lumify. I get this in a lot of stuff and I don't use it, but Jason does. Lumify eye drops. I don't use it at all. Enter to win a $100 gift card. Brand survey. Okay, this is, I'll look at that later. Dry conditioner. Ooh, dry conditioner. I'm gonna have to try this. Softens and smooths hair without water. Care between washes for smells good. I'll have to do that. It says Go Active Dry Conditioner. It's got a coupon for it. Between washes, they got a whole care. Post-workout hair is now a thing. Try Go New Dove Go Active. So this is, they got the dry shampoo, the dry conditioner, dry shampoo wipes, and Go Active hair perfume. So kind of like this. And it's a $2 off coupon on the back. That's kind of interesting. All right. I'm gonna have to try that more. Then we have the Curel. I love their lotions. This is the Dry Skin Therapy Hydra Silk lotion. It's got ceramide in it. This is for best results, use daily. It's a little deluxe sample size. And the last thing in here, this is a short video, even though I'm trying to read all the things. This is the NYX Rocket Mix It, Own It, is what this says. And this says Makeup Crew. And Soft Matte Lip Cream delivers a burst of creamy color that sets to a stunning matte finish, light on the lips and heavy on the pigmentation. No wonder this sweetly scented formula is a fan fave. Want to switch things up? Top your favorite lippy with Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream for a statement-making matte metallic finish. Let's see what we got in here. It's hard to open. It says there is California Matte Liquid Lip and California Metallic Liquid Lip. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to have to rip the box to get to it because the little tape they have on the front is not working. Oh, it does smell good. This is the Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in California. This is the metallic one. Oh, that is a nice, simple metallic, not a huge metallic. And this is the regular lip cream in California. It's funny how they're the same shade, but the metallic kind of makes it a little different. Can y'all see that? Let's put this one on there. It does look pretty decent. Can y'all see the difference? Yeah, y'all can see the difference from far away in the shades. These are the only NYX lipsticks I own now. The other ones went bad, but not bad. I believe this was $5. So $5 at the dollar an item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because technically that's one item. But that's not a bad deal. I will try to leave the link to where you can sign up for this in the description box below. I kind of like all these products, and Jason will get used out of this. So, I hope to see y'all in the next one. And this was Tuesday the 24th look, because I'm not sure if I'm putting this video up this week. So, I will see y'all in the next one.